The Settings tab inside of the Administrative Interface is where you can make lots of changes to your WordPress blog site. Under General Settings, you can set the title for your blog, as well as a tagline. You set the address, the URL for both the page itself as well as the blogs. You can set the administrator email address. You can allow, this is where you change if anyone can register or not. And then you can give a default user role for registered members. By default, it's set to subscriber. You can change how dates are displayed as well as times, in case you're in a different country or a different where they display these things in a different way than they do in the United States. Under the writing section, you can choose the size of the post box. That's for a comment when you're writing in your content, how much you see at any time. Whether you can do remote publishing, which would allow you to use either Atom or XML RPC, which is a way to use a third-party application to publish. One such application is on the iPhone. There's a WordPress app on the iPhone that you can use if you enable these features. You can also have post via email. You can set up a special email address, and when you send email to that address, it will automatically create a blog post based on that email. We've already kind of covered the reading section. This is where you can change the front page display, as well as how many blog posts to show on a given page. Discussion is where you can turn off comments on a site-wide basis. The media settings determine how images are displayed on the page, as well as the minimum and maximum sizes for different types of images. Privacy determines whether or not your blog is seen on sites such as Google and Technorati. Permalinks allows you to change how your links are displayed. By default, it uses this sort of a format, but you could have it used like the entire title of a page. The miscellaneous settings, if you wanted to change where files are uploaded from the default, this is where you would change this. And then you may also have individual settings for plugins, like the No Spam NX plugin or the Post Control plugin. This is where you would make individual changes to your plugins. It's under the Settings tab.